Hello everyone, I'm sorry I cannot change my video, so I can only show you the frontal right now. And today I'd like to introduce like two different kind of lace color of the frontal. These two as both a 30x6 frontal is an extending one, which is like really popular recently. The one on the left is transparent lace body wave frontal 30x6, and the one on the right is a loose wave pattern 30x6 as well, but the lace color you can see from my video is clearly this the one on the left is like a little whiter than the one on the right. This one is like the transparent lace, like most women are looking for this kind of lace recently. Probably they think like the dark brown color, it cannot match their skin color sometimes, and but transparent lace frontal you can really see like different kind of skin color as well. But some people may still looking for dark color if their skin color is really dark. Anyway, let's go ahead to the details. Alright, you can see this is a frontal. It's a natural hairline, pre-plucked natural hairline, so you don't need to do like a plug off anymore when you got the frontal. And look at these details. Probably you may think it's like a little thin here, but it's just imitate the human skin hairline, so it will be very natural when you got installed and cut the lace. Also, you can comb the baby hair out or just put it or down. That is fun too. Look at this one. This is like a really dark skin color. I can show you when you put it on my skin. It's still really dark. It cannot match well, but when people do makeup, they can make it work. Alright, natural hairlines. Well, the quality is exactly same for this kind of frontal, these two kinds of frontal, but just like the lace color is kind of different because for different clients their requirements. So I think probably this is like a new fashion trend recently. Many people are looking for it. I have a lot of clients interested in this, and if you guys like to try and want to know like the differences between this transparent lace and just the regular one, that is why I make this video to explain to you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and order our transparent lace frontal. And also I will put our transparent lace frontal link under my video. Hope you guys can check it out.